Welcome to our new series on this channel, where every Wednesday and Thursday we'll help you improve your Instagram page photos with Lightroom mobile presets. Let's get started. In this tutorial we'll show you how to go from this to this. First, let's go to light. Change exposure to -0.30. Contrast to +45. Highlights to -35. Shadows to +25. Whites to +10. Blacks to -60. Next, go to point curve. Follow these steps to adjust the point curve. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button as it really helps the channel.
Feel the cold wind on my face. It's all around but leaves no trace. This is where I
Let's move on to color. Change the temperature to +10. Change the tint +6.
Endangered species hard to find. I'll give you some love.
Adjust the vibrance to +20.
I need to go catch a high.
And the saturation to +20.
'Cause I don't feel free. So I'm letting you know where I want.
Now let's dive into the color mixer. Go to red. Change the saturation to -16.
Listening to a broken radio.
Go to orange. Set the hue to -10. Saturation to -30. Luminance to +14. Go to yellow. Hue to -30. Saturation to -35. Luminance to -30. Go to green. Hue to +25. Saturation to -30. Luminance to -50. Go to Aqua. Hue to +20.
There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth.
Saturation to -16.
No one else can see you like I do.
Go to blue. Hue to -30.
Never do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for sure.
Saturation to -30.
Designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected.
Next, let's go to effect. Clarity to +20. Haze to +40. Go to detail. Sharpening to 48.
Whether you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means.
And lastly, go to split tone.
I know that you're not blind.
Change the hue to 201 and the saturation to 52 for the highlights.
You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected.
Then change the hue to 215 and saturation to 10 for the shadows. And we're done. You can copy these settings to any other photo like this.
And you might be seeing things. Yeah. You know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected.
Or save a new preset like this for easy access for future Lightroom edits. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below a color style that you would like to see featured in a future video.